Alright guys, here we go. 2014-15 Flawless Basketball. Random Players. Box number 39. This box ends in 227. Go watch break number 38. Player draw to find out where this one came from. Good luck. We're going to randomize the players' names and your names. And then after you guys get your players, we're going to go back to the username list and click it 3 more times. Whoever ends up in the top spot after that gets into the 0910 National Treasures case break. I don't know, Steven, I'd have to check. All the full spots were definitely sold off. I'll let you know if it oversold. If it did, though, I'd let you stay in. If there was an oversell, I'd let whoever was the oversell stay in it. We'll boot one of the other breaks. Alright guys, here we go. Good luck. 256 total spots in this one. Wags, it took me about 10 minutes, and I didn't even remember myself. It took 2 guys in the room to remind me that you had 16 spots in this break. I'm sitting here racking my brain, trying to figure out why I'm 16 spots short. Dang, 10 Wags. Alright, here we go. 3 times on the randomizer. With your names first, YBJ on the bottom. 10 Wags on the top. 1, 2, 3. Wag Anastasia on the top. J Tertiac 14 on the bottom. Players. Zach Randolph on the bottom, Aaron Gordon on top. 1, 2, third and final hit, cross your fingers, hold your winners. 3. Gary Harris, or we like to call him Harry Garris, on top. Tim Hardaway on the bottom. Sort them by your username here, see what you got. 10 Wags down to Buzzy. Oh, I guess we're going to increments of 25. Didn't notice only 25 on the screen. There you go, 1 to 25. 10 Wags to Buzzy. Bam. 26 to 50. Buzzy to D. Losher. Man, 51 to 75. DW 604 to JDeb 21. Bang. 76 to 100. Genius to the Jay Verghese. Bam. 101 to 125. Jay Verghese to Manthon. Oh, I'll post it on the website right after, Robert. Oh, it all ships tomorrow. Oh no, it's crazy. Everything ships tomorrow, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this? The Twilight Zone? Next day shipping on no matter what breaks? Craziness. 126 to 150. Madthon to 5540. $151 down to $175. 5540 to Scotchy Black and Red. $176 to 200. Scotchy. Oops. Whoa. Jump down a little bit there. A lot of it. There you go. Scotchy down to the big fundamental with Shaq Diesel. Good guy to have in this room. Pulled more Shaq than anybody else, I think, out of Flawless. 201 to 225. The big fundamental to WAG Anastasia. Ah, yeah. Boom, 226 to 250. WAG Anastasia and Webb Jr. And the last of them, Webb Jr., Wheel God, and YBJ down to the 256 action. Woo, boy. But the moment you really be waiting for is right here. Going back to our list of names, we finished with WAG Anastasia up top. We click it 3 more times. Whoever ends up top is going into 09, 10, and T. Oh, man. Woo. 39, 38 was yesterday. Good luck. 3 times. 1, 2, the third one. 3. J-Deb 21. Congratulations, Jason Debney. You are in, sir. To National Treasures. 0910. All right. You guys, good luck in the flawless. We'll be breaking it shortly.